About this idea of mutually exclusive and not mutually exclusive probability. So that's when we're talking about probability. So mutually exclusive is like these things can't happen at the same time. So that was like when we had a probability of a black or a heart card in a deck of cards. So really, you're never going to have a card that's a black and a heart because hearts are red. That's just how it works. So essentially, you just find that by adding the two probabilities: the probability of a black card plus the probability of a heart card. It's what's the Well, half the deck is black, so that's 26 over 52, plus a quarter of the deck is a heart, so that's 13 over 52. It's 13, remember, because it's ace to 10, and then jack, queen, king. So together that makes 30. Oh my goodness, 39. Oh my gosh, 39 over 52. Which is really like if I divided the top and the bottom by 13, I'd get 3/4. So the probability of it's actually picking 3 out of 4 cards. That's what 3/4 mean too. A 3 out of 4 chance. So all right, now let's think about this is when they're mutually exclusive. Exclusive. And if you think about it, that's like a union, or like remember we said that was like or. Now if they're non mutually exclusive, not mutually exclusive. That's when we have things that may overlap. So it's going to be an intersection or like an and. So let's see. We have what if we picked a heart or a 6? Well, then that's the probability of getting a heart plus the probability of getting a 6. And then if I pick a heart and a 6, that's the same thing as picking a 6 and a heart. So we have to subtract the combination of the two. So we have to subtract the 6 of hearts because you can get a 6 of hearts either as a heart or as a 6. So we're getting rid of all of the multiples, the doubles. So let's see, the probability of the heart is 13 out of 52 plus the probability of 6 is 4 out of 52 minus that double. There's only one 6 of heart in the whole deck. So what's 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 minus 1 is 16 over 52, same common denominator. And if we wanted to reduce that, we could divide by 4 on top and bottom and get 4 over 13. Okay, so we have mutually exclusive is when you have two things that can't overlap, so it's an or non-mutually exclusive is when things can totally overlap. So that's more like an and if we were, or like an intersection. So heads up, these things all relate to each other. Okay, I'll see you in class.